This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. Today is the third day of our challenge. How much can we earn in a week by trading on Pocket Option using the Flex Trade Bot? Today, we will use live assets. Everything is done as usual. We select a currency pair with the highest payout percentage, set the expiration time, and determine the trade amount. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. Unfortunately, this signal did not work out, but based on the win rate, no more than one loss per session, let's try to double the bet. Here is the result we achieved today. See you tomorrow on the third day of the competition. Click on the link in the description to trade with Flex.